Alright, this video is how to record Kylan's audio on the live stream computer for sermons. So the basic idea is that whenever you're in Logic, you have to tell it which channels you want it to record, and then you have to hit the record button. So whenever we want to record just Kylan, which is what we're going to do for 90% of the time, all you have to do is, while you're in the mixing, like during the service, at some point, you want to make sure that you click the R, which stands for Record Enable, on Kylan's channel. And it's going to start blinking, which just means once it starts recording, and now since it's blinking, it's ready. So once it starts recording, it's going to record this channel. And you can make it record other channels if you want to. Like right now, it would record Russ and Kylan. But we only really want to do Kylan, so we're going to record Kylan. And then you want to wait until he actually starts talking. So at the beginning, as soon as he comes up to start speaking and starts his introduction, you're going to hit the R key on the keyboard. So on the computer keyboard, you're going to hit the letter R. And what that's going to do is it's going to tell it to start recording, and you're going to notice this blinking red is going to turn solid. And that's to indicate that it is recording. So I'm about to hit the R key on the keyboard. So now it's recording. This is solid, and I'll just show you like on the back end, like you can see it's recording here. So now you just continue with the service as normal. If he gets a little loud, you can turn him down. A little quiet, you can turn it up. Just mess with this however you normally would. And then when it comes to the end of the service, we're going to have to stop the recording. So you're going to hit the R key one more time, and you're going to notice it's going to go back to blinking. That means it's not recording anymore. And if we look over here again, you'll see it's still going, but the recording is stopped. This is the recording. So now we're done. All right, so now at the end of the service completely, once the invitation is over and it's just us up here and we're just not live anymore, we're going to have to bounce the audio, which is how we save his audio, basically. There's just a fancy word for save. So that just means like we have it recorded in here, but we're going to take this actual section and make it an audio file. So to do that, you just have to scroll down here to the end on stereo out, and you're going to hit BNC, which stands for bounce. And then this all should be set already. You shouldn't have to worry about it. The main thing you want to make sure is good is that this MP3 is selected blue and that it goes from at least 0 to 1,000. And then you're going to hit OK. And then you're just going to name it. So this Sunday would be 9/22, and you're going to hit bounce. And then this is going to go, and then once it finishes, it'll put it in the file, and then it'll disappear. And that just means you're done. And you can quit it and don't save if you bounced it. And that's all.